What is up, guys? Jeff, aka Pumpkin Spice, coming at you from the kitchen sink. And today we're going to look at Summit, and it's going to be the Insurgent push. All right, so it's basically going to be the same format as the last video. You know, where I sit at, why I sit there, how to move up on points, how to get angles, etc. Same shit. Let's check it out. With the new side of the map that's open, it kind of makes you want to sit still a little bit more when you're defending. So I mean, that's a good thing. You kind of want that. So where I usually I tend to be going on this right side around this area, or I'll go up there and I'll jump off and get on that ledge, which I'm pretty sure none of these people have seen before. I mean, if you're expecting it, it's something that I expect now. So I'll open this door so nobody knows that I've been up here, and we'll jump over right here, and we can camp this. I hear a lot of movement, so it's kind of like, but you can get in between these right there. Okay. I don't know if I got him. Nobody's talking either, which is a bad thing. I'm gonna switch now. Since I'm switching spots, I'm gonna alternate to that first spot that I showed you instead of going back where I was at. Just change it up.
Is it the Dido?
I'm still waiting for him to do Lehman Russ.
Explosive ready.
Oh no,
Yo, fucking hit him, fuck!
I try not to stick my head out too far because you got people that will sit up there like that.
The MG3 armor pens through most of the walls, right?
Almost all the MGs basically do. Everything penetrates everything to a certain extent. You can actually get their spawn right here. But you gotta like run up there and ooh. Nobody even came this way. Nope. Why? Do not go over there by that drone. Do not go over there by that. Don't go over there by the drone. Fuck, he saw me first. They're capturing it. Other people would get on the fucking point. If you see people capturing the point, get on the fucking point. Since a lot of people are brand new. MG nest. You can get the MG nest from right here. If you look up that Up in this crack.
Nice. That's where they're at, right? Straight fucking.
Yeah, yeah, you can see the guy's head right there. I'm pretty sure he's probably dead, or else he would have screamed. Yeah, he's dead.
I need the radio.
I'm coming to you, Mook. Nope. There's a nice angle. Sometimes people will go on this ledge right here and they like to snipe up the hill. So if you come right on top of here, you already have a pretty good advantage on them.
We needed to gas them. Fire chemical rounds on
And
them.
also, I never noticed that angle. If you got them just right, I imagine you could probably get somebody on the second floor.
Awesome. Good shit.
Gas mask, guys.
Copy. Thank you.
Another little cheeky spot. I knew he was gonna see me.
Okay, I'm throwing smoke.
That's why I threw the smoke. Oh, I was on single fire. Fuck. Man, I was on single fire. Alright, guys. That's it for Summit Insurgent Push. Hit like and subscribe down below. Next video I'm going to be doing is on the state of production number 4. I'm probably going to put that out sometime this weekend. I definitely want to go over some stuff that I think NWI need to be doing or should be doing. You know, some promises, even if it's a promise to put forward, you know, maybe a timeline or something like that. We'll discuss that then. But hit like and subscribe down below. I'm going to leave a link for my Twitch. Hopefully by the time, you know, this weekend rolls around, they'll have all the kinks worked out and my internet will be working fine again. I'm hoping, but until then, I'll be streaming in 720. Follow me on Twitch. I don't have a schedule. Whenever I get on, you get a notification. I'm on. If you don't want that, that's cool. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Told me to
Some of
do
these
it.
guys know better.
Which one of you is the commissar?
All of us.
All of
All of us. It's a collective. All of us.
You don't need no goddamn guardsmen. We're all commissars now.
Fucking bitches.